Yo, Doc's gang, what's good? How we doing? Guys, today, I got something special, alright? I just finished making a melody tutorial, alright? And the melody is pretty freaking fire, okay? I gotta admit, I like the melody a lot. I don't know how I did it, but I did. I amaze myself every day, guys. We know this. But nah, we're just gonna turn this into a beat. I guess this isn't really a tutorial. This is just like me trying to make something out of something. So I'm gonna do something with this something and make something. You dig? Okay, so yeah, don't forget to join my Discord, alright? Links in the description. You gotta join that, okay? Everybody's in there. You gotta join my Discord. It's lit, alright? Join that thing now. I'm gonna need y'all to do that, okay? The Discord is lit. You got it. If you're subscribed, you gotta join the Discord. Come on now, alright? And don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's get started, alright? Okay, so right now it's with Nexus. Yo, I need to get a oh, man, I should buy Nexus 3, shouldn't I? Whatever. I just rediscovered Silent, and I forgot how dope Silent is and how many lit sounds it has. So we're just gonna use Silent, bro. Silent is, oh man, I completely forgot about Silent, dude. I promise Silence is lit, guys, alright? I promise. Just give me a few seconds. Give me a few seconds, alright? There are definitely some good sounds in Silence. Alright, cool. Let's add a counter melody now. Let's open up Silent again and add a counter melody. Alright, I'm layering this like I always do. Okay, you need to quiet down. Okay, number 2, please. Thank you. Alright, I'm adding the drums now. Drums. Alright, of course we gotta use Pierborn. We gotta use Pierborn, kid. I gotta record it in Edison. Oh my god. Grossby needs to fix that, honestly. Like, come on. Why do I gotta do this every time? They need to make like a Grossby 2 or something that doesn't mess up the reverse thing. Alright, that's enough. Alright, now let's trim the edges. Oh, wait. Oh my god, I gotta do this again. Wow. Gotta do this whole thing again, because I didn't get the frickin'... Oh my god, wow, okay.
2,000 years later.
Alright, cool, that's it. That's the loop. Fine. Lit. I like it. Dope. Alright, let's put this pattern down. Let's finally get these damn drums going. Oh my god, the damn sampler channel needs to go away. Thank you. Bye. God damn. I'm gonna half speed that again. Let's half speed this thing. Let's half speed it. See what that sounds like. Wasn't it supposed to be half sped? Oh, whatever. Holy crap. Oh my god. Okay, what the hell is with that attack? Alright? As soon as that thing hits, where the hell is it? How do you trim? Thank you. Alright, this 808's trash. What the wow, I gotta come to Young Kiko every time. Shout out to this drum kit, okay? Cause oh my lord, every goddamn time something with an 808. Alright. Alright, let's add some hi-hats to this. Let's add some hi-hats. Guys, I don't even know what's going on right now, but this sounds kind of weird. I like it though. I like it though. I like it. Let's try add this for a snare. Let's see what this sounds like. All right, my camera died. I don't know when, but all right, we're just adding the kicks now. You know what? I'm leaving it there, guys. I'm leaving it there. All right, this beat's tough. There's your silent Metro Boom Pierre ambient beat type beat.
What did you say, nigga?
But there you have it. There it is. If you guys haven't done so already, join my Discord. All right, I'm not gonna stop saying this. Join the Discord, okay? That's why I'm coming. I gotta make sure you're listening. All right, that's why I gotta get in your face. Join the Discord, all right? It's not hard. If you don't have an account on Discord, make an account. It literally takes 2 seconds to make an account, all right? And it takes another 1 second to join the Discord. So I don't understand why you're not in it. Join the Discord, all right? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, turn on post notifications as well. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, and peace.